What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Jazz, and before we get into much, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified for when we drop good vlogs like these. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up as well. We sure would appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way that I make my spaghetti. This is not my how I make spaghetti all the time, but this is one way that I make it. Here I'm going to be sauteing my meat and my bell peppers and onions together. I like to saute them together so that the bell peppers and onions cook with the meat. And I'm not going to season it because I'm going to drain it and then I'm going to season it afterwards. Now that I've drained the meat, and before we get started on the sauce, I'm going to go ahead and put my noodles on to boil. Now I'm going to season my meat and start to add my sauce. The seasonings that I used were pretty basic today. I used garlic powder, black pepper, nature's own seasoning, which you probably will not see, and Italian seasoning. I used two different types of Italian seasoning. One I am going to show you here in a second, and another one I used is called Italian spaghetti. I will try to put a picture of it in here, but it's called Italian spaghetti and it's specifically for spaghetti, and I used about a half a cup of that seasoning. This is the Italian spaghetti seasoning that I was telling you guys about. It has Italian seasoning, pieces of dried onion, crushed red pepper flakes, and a bunch of herbs. It's literally my favorite spaghetti seasoning, and I actually stopped buying like Prego and Ragu and the jarred spaghetti sauce because I like that seasoning so much. So I just buy regular tomato sauce, which is what I used, diced tomatoes and a half a cup of that seasoning. It does on the back of it have different measurements based on how much spaghetti you're cooking. So for this, I did use a half a cup, but you can adjust it to your liking. And I get that seasoning in Sam's. And also a little secret splash ingredient that I use in my spaghetti is ranch seasoning. That ranch seasoning is so good. You can literally use it in just about anything. I put it in my flour sometimes when I'm frying chicken and a bunch of different other things. My camera did end up dying, but here you can see I'm adding a splash of vinegar, and then I also added about a fourth a cup of sugar, and here lastly I'm adding in my tomato paste. I let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I added my noodles and stirred it in. Or if you would like to keep them separate, you can do that as well and put it on top. Let me know down below, what kind of spaghetti person are you? Do you like your spaghetti mixed in with your noodles, or do you like your spaghetti on top? The spaghetti sauce didn't stick to the noodles as well as I wanted to. So this isn't my best batch of spaghetti, but it did taste really good. And again, like I said, this is just one way that I make spaghetti. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys want to see down below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you would like to see us eat this delicious spaghetti that we did end up pairing with some fish and salad. If you'd like to see us eat that, please head over to Fritz Family Entertainment. I'll try to link the video below or in a note card above. Until next time, love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and be that light for someone else to emulate, because you never know what your kind words and gestures may do for someone else's day.